welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video, and we're with Project MR2. Well, this was the arm that was stuck on the car. It's got the damaged ball joint. There is the adjustable brand new arm to go back on with a brand new cam bolt to replace the one we had to heat up to get out. Also in the workshop that's turned up today is all the hardware, new bolts, new nylock nuts, washers, everything to reassemble. This morning's job is nothing more than pushing the bush out of that and putting the new poly bush in, and then this hub can go back on with them two reconditioned arms as well, so we can start reassembly today on the one corner, and then we have to start on the other side. Well, that's the first piece of the puzzle. We've got the hub back onto the car, CV joint back into the hub, then bolts just nipped up at the moment, so now we can start putting arms on. What I'm doing here is just setting this arm to the same length as the Toyota OE, so I've got a base setting when I come to do all the alignment. I'm just going to put it back together as it came apart in the respect of where everything lines up for now, so I needed this the same length. Right, that's the adjustable arm fitted and set to the length of the OE one. There's no other arms on the car at the moment, so it's all floppy, but we've used new hardware there. That's a brand new Toyota bolt with a new nut, and I've repurposed that cam for the purpose of doing the job, because that one didn't need replacing. I've now got to finagle the next arm in, put them all in loosely so I've still got some movement, and start reassembling with brand new bolts. This is going together easier than it came apart.